So good evening, guys. This this is a very emotional day for me. So I made a call earlier on. Sorry for the noise. I made a call earlier on, and it made sense. If you go on my X account, and you'll see when I made a post of this. I'll quickly show you guys something here. So this is my basically. This is my group where I have my and my brothers. We all try to get this. So this was something I posted earlier on today. You can see price here. We want the price to come up here, and it's give a right up here just to put it up on my X account, right? So this is what I saw here. Give this call. I want to see get to the mitigation block, and then hopefully see price sales from this point to here and up here. You can see what was the right up. Whatever was here is what you can see here as well. And this is a 4-hour time frame. We can see that the parent range high and low. We can see the parent range high and low, and we definitely want to see price give us good discounts, for us to buy. The parent range is from this high to this low here, so we want to see good discounts to this daily order block before we see buys to the other side. Before we see buys, or to take this high and not, because from this low to this high, right? Here is a good fair value. Why do I want to see price get down here? Because of this imbalance here, right? If this was not here, definitely would start trading up from here, but this imbalance need to be filled. So yeah, we need to see price get here. But why am I buying from this point to this point here? First, this is, you can see this is a 4 hours chart. So definitely, like, the full day is gonna be like up to this point, except there's high news that will drive price here quicker, and they will start saying, but the whole day can give us this range. Now there's a fair value gap here, right? And you can see price traded into it, closed inside the fair value gap, and so we just want to see. This, to me, this is a reference point. You can see it's below the range high and the range low. It's in the equilibrium here, so it's below the equilibrium. This is a good discount. So price has been trading off all of in premium. Now I want to see price trade, give us good discount for buys. Order flow for the monthly DXY is bullish. All right, so get this point here down. We just want to keep on seeing buys on bullishness. Now this whole thing is a good institutional reference point for me. Institutions are going to see this is a manipulation, right? Institutions are going to see this and capitalize on this and try to take price high a little bit, day trading, and then see sales to this high point here. We can see maybe an inversion fair value gap here as well too, but I'm going to be, I think that's what I'm highlighting here. If you go to the daily time frame, there's an inversion fair value gap here. The fair value gap, this imbalance is from this low here to this high here. All of this price is going to trade effectively into it, which is good and nice. Right, so this is what I called. So we can see price just dipped into the discounts, right into a fair value gap, which is a good reference point for bullish movements. You can also see imbalance right where you can see the OB. That's what I was talking about here. I want to see price get down the fill up. So that's what I just want to see. Everything is, call the price. This was 11:30, 11:31. You can see price here is 5:45. So call the price. Waited for NY session, which is about, this is 11:31. Meaning the New York session opens. This is the New York section, but my keys will start from 7:30, 8:30, to 9:30. That's about 1:30 to. So you can see this key zone started. You can see price already moving to the upside. At here, at first we got to the equilibrium of this high to this low, which is now my internal range, liquidity internal range. Give us 50%. At this point, I think you can't see it here, but 50%. So traded into it, like I said, and nice call. Right now it's at the EQ, and let's see if a value gap dropped down a little bit. So now I just have to wait for price. I'm sorry, I just want to try. I'm just looking at this. So back to trading view. Boom, you can see now it just hits the mitigation block of a 4 hours time frame. It just touched it now, and that's where I want to see price get to. So it was a very good trading day for me. If I had traded this is a 1 hour time frame, this is a fair value gap, respecting this other block, consolidation, 9:30, 8 o'clock. But if you go down, you can see, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. If I want to really trade this is a 8 o'clock. You can see price here. When these highs were taken, this is a fair value gap. He left, traded back down into the fair value gap, respected it, and then traded back up, took this one as well. This is a fair value gap we created, traded back. That is a 9:30 good kill zone. Trade back, trade up into this point here. Now, if you were late, let's say you're coming in at 11:45, this low to this high, traded into a good fair value discount, and it bought back up. Now you can see this. So all of this effectively traded. Yeah, I'm okay. This is good. You can see price could still come up here, but to what point you can see there's a fair value gap here as well. Yeah, this is an inversion fair value gap. Price is traded into it already. So I'm okay and I'm cool. Why is it an inversion fair value gap? Because price traded through it, and we want to see price respect it and keep on selling. There's another one here, but I'm okay. I'm okay for price to get to this point, and I'm fine. This is it. So this was how I traded my DXY for the day. Tomorrow I just want to see sales down to this, taking this low. This is SSI liquidity. We're going to see this being traded through tomorrow. So tomorrow or soonest, anyone. But yeah, sorry. This is how I caught the trade, and yeah. So my X account as well. So follow me. Thank you very much. Until next time. See you.